Often managers have worked up through the ranks, so they've started at the basic level and they've ended up in a position where they've had no or little formal training. So the training really provides, well, best practice about how to be a manager, and a good set of tools to be able to manage effectively people and process. And they can speak directly to somebody who's experienced in the field and question the areas that they want to question. With face-to-face training, you have an expert in the field that you can question and get immediate answers from. You can challenge and clarify things that you don't understand fully. The trainer should be observing what goes on in the room and picking up on things that are not being said as well as what is being said, and helping to coach individuals or the group through any personal difficulties or challenges that they might be having. Okay, so we always receive positive feedback at Silicon Beach. We keep the class sizes small so people can achieve their personal objectives as well as the course objectives. We've got purpose-built premises here, and it's in a great location as well. It's near the train station, based in the centre of Brighton, and we're just a walk away from the seafront. New managers that have been just put in post, future managers that have been cited for a managerial role, people who've had little or no training, or people who've had training and would like to refresh or update skills. Okay, well, we look at the fundamental differences between management and leadership. We kind of look at the roles and responsibilities that are necessary for a manager to have to be effective at what they do. We look at the competencies that are necessary, such as communication, delegation, motivation, time management, achieving desired results, some monitoring progress, and how to praise and work with people who are not living up to what we're expecting them to do. We encourage people to self-assess against those competencies on the course so we can get them to identify the areas that they need to work on, and we provide time on the course for them to work specifically on their personal objectives as well as the course objectives. There are practice sessions so people can put the skills into practice. They receive feedback on how they can improve and move forward. One of the most important things, I think, is people bringing life scenarios, challenges that they're having back at work, and using the training as an opportunity to troubleshoot and have a look at some top tips about how to work with those situations. And finally, we look at an evaluation of themselves as well as the course, leaving with an action plan of what to do and how to take things forward. Some of the obvious courses would be Prince 2, project management and leadership skills. But as I mentioned before about the competencies that we cover on the management course, some of them can be full day courses too, such as time management, stress management, conflict resolution, negotiation and influencing people. So there's a whole range of courses that people can follow up with and deepen their understanding.